Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am giving you a quick overview for the OnePlus Nord 2. Now the OnePlus Nord has made a name for itself because of its aggressive pricing and the feature that it comes with. Let's begin by talking about the design of the latest Nord. The OnePlus Nord 2 looks very different from its outgoing variant. The smartphone sports a plastic build and weighs 189 grams. We have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back of the smartphone that aids it against scratches and damages. You do get classic OnePlus features like a USB Type-C charging port and an alert slider on the smartphone. OnePlus Nord 2 5G is available in 3 colors: Greenwood, Grey Sierra and Blue Haze. OnePlus has reworked the display on the Nord 2, so let's talk about that. You will get a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display on the OnePlus Nord 2. The display supports HDR10+, which means it provides better black levels and you will enjoy watching content on it. Also, the screen has a max refresh rate of 90 Hz. This will also come in handy when you're gaming. You get an in-display fingerprint sensor on the smartphone, which is very snappy. Complementing the display is a stereo speaker setup, which is very loud. You get a triple camera setup on the Nord 2. There's the main 50-megapixel camera that comes with a face detection autofocus feature and optical image stabilization as well. These features will help you click images quickly and the results will be crisper. Then there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera that is great for covering more room. And finally, there's a 2-megapixel macro lens. The camera setup supports HDR and can record 4K videos at 30 FPS and 1080p videos at 30, 60 and 240 FPS. There is also dual LED flash that lights up the frame. On the front, we get a 32-megapixel camera that supports Auto HDR. The camera can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. The OnePlus Nord 2 is powered by MediaTek's flagship 1200 5G chipset. This is a flagship octa-core processor from MediaTek and can handle any and every app you throw at it. The processor is paired with a Mali G77 MC9 GPU. Nord 2 is a dual SIM smartphone that can support dual 5G SIMs. The OnePlus Nord 2 comes with Android 11 out of the box and supports Oxygen OS 11 as its stock skin. Now the battery specs on the OnePlus smartphones are usually very good and the case is similar on the OnePlus Nord 2. The smartphone packs in a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt warp charge support. OnePlus claims that the smartphone can charge from 1 to 100% in just 30 minutes. That is really amazing if we can get the same numbers in real-time usage. The OnePlus Nord 2 is available in 2 variants. There is a variant with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage.